up, guys? I'm Smurfinwrx, driver of the number 11 Bar Harbor Chevy in the Xfinity Series.
Hey guys, this is Ryan Reed, driver of the number 16 Lily Diabetes Ford Mustang in the Xfinity Series.
I am Mike Wynn. I don't have a number. I'm happy to be here, and I'm about to whoop their butts. Watch. I think I'm gonna win. You're gonna take second. He's gonna take third.
Oh wow. You know, I don't know if I'm more offended that you said you're gonna win or that he's gonna beat me.
Woo! This is how we're gonna win the race. Hit maneuvers all day. My head's too big, guys. Ooh, Mr. Fancy Pants brought his own helmet over here.
Yeah. Preparation. It's key.
Preparation H, maybe.
Yeah!
I don't know what the standings are yet, but so who's the one that like kept running into me? That was
You got the results?
Yeah, we'll just hand it out.
24/7.
24/7.
25-5.
25-5.
I think my go-kart was early.
26-4.
There we go.
It's fun though.
Honestly, I think their car's faster, so it's rigged. It's not that they're great drivers and they professionally race, and I'm just slow and fast. Yeah, of course.
They did X-rays and stuff.
Casey Curry from Corona, California. I'm 34 years old and I'm a professional off-road racer.
What's up? I'm Hailie Deegan. I race off-road, did freestyle motocross, 21 years old. This is my daughter.
I'm Hailie Deegan, I'm 16, he had me when he was 4. Yeah.
I always like NASCAR just because it's a big, like almost like a big party. You come for the weekend, camp out, family, you get to watch the races, you get to go hang out with the drivers on pit road. I think it's cool. It's a cool family deal, and it's just something you got to check out eventually, so it's good.
Yeah, I agree with my dad how he said super family oriented. Like there's something every age can do. There's little kids can go out, get autographs. There's older guys can hang out, get a drink, watch the races. It's seriously like, it's compatible for every age that wants to go, and it's something that everybody loves to do.
Yep.
But yeah, I race stock cars in the K&N West Series. I race late models, I race off-road trucks, you name it, I race it.
She just raced her first NASCAR K&N race last 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Ended up top 10. Battle with Kevin Harvick, and it was cool. Harvick shouted her out yesterday with the press conference that she's the next, not just girl, she's the next racer to watch in NASCAR. So yeah, so it's good. You don't get those every day, right?
That's not the typical shout out you get.
So it's all good. So yeah, and I've been with Monster for a while. Just came out to do the demos. I'm excited, man. I've been here many years doing freestyle motocross, all different sports. Raised my kids to race, and we're gonna go at it all over again. You know, I'm stoked.
We're about to hop in a truck, but I think the problem is they forgot about Dad, so this is a little bit tight. This might be too tight. Oh, Dad bought 2018. Okay, guys, we're gonna hop in one of these. I heard they're gonna two-wheel it. We're hopping one of those, and we're gonna do a smoke show. You guys ready? Let's go. The ride was crazy. I've got a Monster water. What?
How we doing? I'm Seth Brisson. I'm 26 years old and I'm from Connecticut.
How's it going? I'm Buddy Settle with Unknown Industries, 33 years old, from Huntington Beach, California. Yeah, so we're out here doing the smoke show on Harley Davidsons. We've been stunt riding these things for almost 10 years now, doing shows for NASCAR for the last 3. And yeah, it's super fun. Fans seem to love it. We love it.
I love the smell of the fuel, the rubber, just the noise of it, and the crowd is a huge thing. Like how die-hard these fans are at the NASCAR races is huge to me.
There's 4 of us out here today at Fontana. We're riding all on Harleys, all different years. We got all the way from 1994 FXR to 2015 Dyna Lowriders. We don't have any stunt modifications done to these bikes. I think that's what kind of helps us get to where we were. And you know, we don't have handbrakes or huge sprockets or crash bars. You know, we like the bikes to look pretty still. So yeah, I mean, if you're into Harleys or motorcycles at that, and you know, you're still young and you're trying to figure it out, just get that first bike and set it up how you want it.
Definitely, like, seat time's a big thing because every bike you ride and how you set it up is totally different, from tires, suspension, handlebars, like clutch, like everything helps. So people that want to get into it, just practice. Honesty does make perfect, so stay at it.
Keep practicing, and you know, one day you could be doing this with us.
Guys, Destin Cantrell, 28 years old, from Temecula, California, and started riding when I was 4 years old.
What's going on? Bryce Hudson. I'm 27 years old, from Murrieta, California. Started riding when I was a little kid. Always liked photography and shooting photos of motocross riders, and then ended up picking up a bike and put the camera down and started jumping, and here we are today.
What's up, guys? I'm Axel Hodges. I'm 21 years of age. Started riding dirt bikes when I was probably yay big, and yeah, I ride dirt bikes and it's fun.
Jeremy Stenberg, I'm about 2 days older than dirt, the oldest dude out here by far for sure. You couldn't tell by my tricks you've seen over there, but yeah, I've loved dirt bikes since I was like 2 years old, and that's all I really know.
Name's Jeff Griffin from Bakersfield, California, and I like to party.
So he fits in really good at NASCAR on Sundays for
yeah,
sure.
You know. I mean, what I love most is just being with the boys and hanging out.
Literally the funnest thing is when you're with all your buddies, like the moto guys, the Harley guys, the truck guys, and some of the NASCAR guys. Like when we all hang out and have fun like this, I feel like we all vibe off of each other, and it makes it way funner.
So NASCAR is always a good time because they bring in all the different automotive sports, the cars, bikes, Harleys, trucks, so makes for a good time.
There's no better feeling than seeing a little kid so pumped after you ride, or giving them a high five or something like that. Because I remember being that little kid and getting the high five. Like that's like what inspired me to like keep riding and like try to do good, you know? Practice makes perfect. My dad used to tell me that all the time growing up, and every time I couldn't think of like figuring out how to do a trick, I would just practice it and practice it and practice it until I got it.
It's just seat time.
And literally, yeah, it's just riding all the time and being comfortable on your equipment.
Making sure you're having fun and not hating it.
Yeah. When you're having fun, that's like some of the best times of your life, is just having fun riding your dirt bike.
Make a buddy, you're a boy now. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got